What's up, everybody? Tony here with iTech Check, and as promised, I have gotten my Galaxy S20 Plus, and I want to go ahead and show you what the IBlason cases look like on this phone, because at the time I did my first review, I did not have my phone. So now that I do, I kind of want to show you guys what it looks like and what kind of protection we're looking at here. So we'll go ahead and get started. Here is the Aries Series, and this is the Cosmo Series, one with a card holder and one without. So here, like I said, here is the Aries Series. So basically what you do is you pop out this inner liner from the case. You take the liner and you put it over your phone. So it holds it in like that. And then you kind of just press it back into the case, so it definitely will keep it protected. And if you happen to drop the case or something, the phone will absolutely not come out of this case. Okay, so just make sure everything's lined up, popped on. And there you go. So it's in the case. As you can see, it does have a little raised edge here. And this is the blue outline, the blue backing, and it has that nice clear back. Here it has a protective, like a little protective cover on it. We'll just peel that off, and then it's nice and clear. As you can see, it's got the protection for the camera as well. There's your buttons. Responsive, very clicky. It's got that nice rubber feel to it, and you got your cutout here and your dust cover for the bottom of the case. And this does work with wireless charging. All the cases do for the IBlason. There you go. So here we have the Cosmo Series. Again, it has this inner ring that keeps your phone in place. All you need to do is pop that out and then put it onto your phone. So here's that inner ring. You just put it over your phone, and then you push the phone into the case. Work it around the edges. Make sure everything's clicked on there. And there you go. Buttons are nice and clicky and responsive. I like that they protrude just a little bit so you can tell where the buttons are. It's got that raised edge. Cutouts for the bottom ports here. And it has a little bump to protect the camera. It's not slippery. Feels pretty nice. Okay. And again, this does work with wireless charging. There you go. Okay, so here is the Cosmo card holder case. This one I particularly like, even though it has like a girly, pattern on it. I love the way that it feels. It's a matte. It's not like a shiny, fingerprint magnet. It also has the card holder here that holds about 2 cards. This does not have an inner ring. You just take your phone and you kind of pop it in. There you go. Buttons are responsive. They're not as clicky as the other one, but they do work. They do protrude, so you can find them easily. Got that raised edge. This one's a little more prominent, I believe, than the other one. Got your cutouts on the bottom there. And then your card holder. I have about 2 flat cards in here. And those can be pushed out pretty easy and pushed back in. And then you have your raised edge around the camera for protection. This is definitely one of the nicer cases, and the functionality for the cards is definitely there. Put your your ID or something in here, and then you have your Samsung Pay. And really, do you even need your wallet or your purse anymore? I don't think so. So again, this was a follow-up video to kind of show you how the phone fit into IBlason's cases. If you want to see my full review with all the cases, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to check out that video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.